guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to create these two different loading animation in Figma. So let's jump into Figma and get started. First, draw a circle. Create another circle to use as a reference. Duplicate the circle and arrange the circles evenly around the reference. Now remove the reference circle. Select all the circles and group them. And then frame the group. Duplicate the frame. In the first frame, align all the circles to the center. Duplicate the second frame. In the third frame, rotate the group. Duplicate again. In the fourth frame, align the circles to the center. Select all the frames and create a component set. Connect the frames using after delay for 1 ms, smart animation with slow. Loop the last frame back to the first with after delay of 1 ms and instant transition. For next loading animation, draw a line. Increase the stroke to 10 and round the corners. Switch to draw mode and use radial repeat. Set the count to 12. Switch back to design mode. Select the repeat group and flatten it. Apply the linear gradient. Reduce the second color's opacity. Now frame it. Duplicate the frame and rotate the gradient. Repeat this process until the last frame looks the same as the first. Select all the frames and create a component set. Connect the frames using after delay for 1 ms, smart animation and linear for 500 ms. Connect the last to first frame with after delay of 1 ms and instant transition. And that's how you can create a smooth loading animation in Figma. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe for more quick and creative Figma tutorials. Until then, keep creating and stay inspired. See you in the next video.